So if you want to run Facebook ads directly through GoHighLevel but don't know how to connect your account, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect Facebook ads in GoHighLevel so you can start capturing leads and running campaign seamlessly, even if you are completely new in GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and for the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out and let's get back to the video. Once you are inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, just click on this marketing from the left side panel and head over to this ad manager. Now you can see there are three options. So we are going to connect our Facebook. So click on this connect Facebook. It will open a pop-up to connect your Facebook. Just wait. Now if you have already logged in your account on the same browser, it will automatically show. Just clicking on this connect or reconnect. Now here you will see there is an option for the add account to this Facebook. So if you click on this, you can see all of your ad account. Just select that, and then if you want, then you can connect your page which is connected with this Facebook. So just clicking on this. Now click on this get started. Now you can see your Facebook is connected with GoHighLevel. Now if you want, then you can create the campaign inside the GoHighLevel for your Facebook. So select that and click on next, and if you want, then you can use template or go with this scratch. Click on this next and you can create the campaign here. Now inside the GoHighLevel here you can create the ad for your Meta or Facebook. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily connect your Facebook ad account with GoHighLevel. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel and check the link from the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.